How to use promo money on Prizepicks. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I will guide you how you can use promo money on Prizepicks. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Prizepicks either on the applications or a website. So here I'm on the website. If you're on the website, go to prizepicks.com. If not, open up the application. After that, with your login credentials, log in into your account. Once you logged in, now check your promo balance. For that, navigate to your account or wallet section to view your available promo funds. Promo money is usually listed separately from your deposited from. After that, select your picks. Create your entry by selecting players and predicting their performance based on the provided stats. After that, you can apply your promo fonts. When confirming your entry, PrizePicks would automatically use your promo fonts if they are available. And promo funds are typically used before your deposited cash. Now, in order to complete your entry process, you have to submit your entry. The promo funds will be deducted instead of your cash balance. And that's it. That's how you can use your promo money on PrizePicks, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.